Hey guys, good evening. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. Yes, it's dark outside, but this is the only time we have tonight, so we are going to be pulling the spark plugs on our 59 coupe here. Going to start oiling down the cylinders and hopefully going to turn it over by hand this weekend. Going to grab a new battery for it. So now the fun part, get it running again. Thanks for joining the video, guys. Let's grab our stuff and get started. Are you playing with the decrepit carpet that's coming out of the door? You're being a dork. Did you know that? Yeah, okay. You showing your good side for the video? I love that look that I get. Not nice.
You want to go grab the can of...
Yes, I do. Is it full or do we need to fill it?
I think it's full enough.
The good stuff.
So,
here you go.
That plug has never been fired.
Oh, wow.
And there's oil on them. So it tells me that somebody took the plugs out,
Oiled it.
put oil down the cylinders, and then put brand new plugs back in them and never fired it.
Interesting. So we're probably going to be finishing this project tomorrow night because it's now too late to run to the auto parts store, and I could have sworn that I had another bottle of Marvel Mystery Oil here, but apparently I can't find it or something. So what we have in that little pump can right there is all we've got, so we're probably just going to get one side done tonight. We'll get all the plugs pulled, but only one side is going to get oiled tonight, and we'll have to get some more tomorrow.
I mean, they've been in here for a long time, but they've never been fired.
That is peculiar.
Well, obviously somebody was actively trying to get this car running, probably. And they, the cheapest and easiest thing to do is go buy a pair of spark plugs, throw a pair of plugs in it, put some oil down the cylinders, and fire it.
Gotta get a new battery too, because this battery is not even the correct battery for this car whatsoever.
Yeah, they probably just threw whatever battery they had on the farm.
Exactly. You love how I make you work on cars in the dark?
Absolutely love it.
Okay, everybody, he got all the plugs out and we've got oil down in each cylinder. So now just time to let it sit for a couple days. Hopefully we're shooting for Sunday to try to get this baby to turn over either by hand or maybe under its own power. We'll see. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a great night.